Alright guys, let's look at graphs of rational functions. And I just want to show you something. As you're going through really this whole year, working through and learning different things, just use all the available resources you have. If there's videos to watch, watch the videos. Take your time because, again, obviously you're trying to learn it, but nothing just comes. Sometimes you get things immediately, but some things just take a little time. So watch those videos, take good notes, and if you watch videos and you don't understand something, reach out and say, "Hey, help!" I like making other videos to add to it because sometimes things can be explained in a different way to help understand it. But do your due diligence. So this particular concept of graphs of rational functions, um, I love the hints that Mr. Sal Khan has on his videos. And so watch the hints. The hints are nice. It kind of takes you directly to what you need to know. Because sometimes I know the videos go roundabout and go around the world and back again on things you don't need to know. But if you just click on the hints, it takes you directly, specifically what you need to know. So, like for this particular one, the focus is on horizontal asymptotes. It doesn't say that in the problem, but if you go to the hint, that's exactly what they discuss. So if I look at this, they gave you something. They gave you, you don't know what A, B, and C, A, B, C, and D are. They're unknowns, and they want you to pick the graph. You may say, how in the world would I know that? Well, this designed to help you to focus on the horizontal asymptote. That's the whole point. So if I look at this, I'm only going to look at my leading coefficients. And notice they're 7 and 7 are the exponents. They're the same for a reason. That's because whenever you find the horizontal asymptote, as long as your leading coefficients, your exponents are the same, all you do is divide the coefficients. So if I go -8 divided by 2, that's -4. I know that I have a horizontal asymptote at -4. That means a line going up and down at -4. So if I look through my graphs, which one of these has a horizontal asymptote at -4? Not vertical, horizontal. And I was looking for vertical, but that's why I said that. So if I look here at D, notice it's going horizontally at -4. The rest of them, -6. This one's way up here at 7, looks like. This one's up here. I'm looking at the horizontal asymptote. That's all I need because that's the focus. So that's my choice here. Bam. Check, check. That's all they're looking for. You're ultimately graphing, but they're just doing it piece by piece. Let's look at the next one. Again, same idea. Oh, I didn't mean to check that. This particular one, it says some function, but if you look at the hint, they're focusing on the denominator, which is going to give you a vertical asymptote. Whenever that denominator is 0, gives you the vertical asymptote. This is one reason why I had everyone do a lot of factoring, because you got to factor. So if I take 2x squared minus 32 and factor it, I'm going to factor out a 2. So it'll give me x squared minus 16. And then I'm going to go 2 times x plus 4, x minus 4. So in my denominator here is 2 parentheses x plus 4, close parentheses, x minus 4. So that tells me that I will have a vertical asymptote at +4 and -4, or you could have some type of discontinuity there. So I'm looking at my graphs. Well, here I got at -4 and +4. I see some vertical, so maybe that's it. That looks like that's it, maybe. Let's go look at the other ones. This one you got something at 4, but not at -4. It just looks like it goes through. So that's not it. This one you only got something at -4. You don't have anything going on here for. This one, nothing's going on at -4. So just by looking at my choices, I think that my solution will be A here. That's it. See the focus? All right, do another. We'll do all 4 of these. Let's see. What do they want us to focus on here? They gave me all this, and they didn't give me they gave me those constants there at the end. So I think what they want you to focus on here is your Y-intercepts. If you plug in 0 into each one of these functions, basically you're doing f of 0. All that's going to cancel. A times 0 to the who cares minus b times 0 squared. That's going to be 0. So on the bottom, you're going to have 0. So if I plug in 0 for this function, my output is going to be 14 over negative 7, which is negative 2. So I know that this function will cross the y-axis at negative 2 because of 14 divided by negative 7. So now I'm going to go to negative 2. This is the only one that goes through negative 2. This one goes through like 3, not even near. See, I'm just kind of narrowing it down. And you don't even need to know a lot about graphing, but if you focus on those hints, they're really building you up to graphing rational functions. So I believe, was that my answer? I forgot what I was doing. Negative 2. So that's not it. What's wrong with me? I think it's going to be this one. Negative 2. All right, we're going to roll here. Last but not least. Okay, this one. We're looking at the top. And these are the zeros of your solution. You don't know the bottom. That's unknown. Again, they want you to factor this. So I'm going to look at x squared plus 4x minus 21. What does that factor to? Let's see. What times what is negative 1 to add negative 21 to add to give you 4? I say 7 and 3. So probably x plus 7, x minus 4. No, 3, excuse me. Yep, that's it. So x plus 7, x minus 3 are your factors. So I'm looking down here for a graph that crosses negative 7 or 3. Or something going on there. So I'm looking down here. Do I see where this one? A looks like it crosses 7. No, I need to cross negative 7. So, nope, nothing going on here for that top one. Not for negative 7. So let's see. Negative 7 or positive 3. I want you to see what I'm investigating. So it looks like this one. Look at B. It crosses negative 7. And this one crosses at 3. So right now, B is my best choice for what I'm looking at. Let's see. This one, C, doesn't cross at negative 7. Got something going on there, but nope. So let's see. This one, nope. So I'm thinking that my best choice will be D. Success. Hopefully that helps. Again, watch those hints. It'll take you directly to what you need to know. And again, as you work and you have questions, please feel free, shoot me a question. I enjoy this. Thanks.